Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix controller is not working in Epic Games. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to completely close Epic Games from your system tree as well, and you're also on Task Manager. Should be no Epic Games related tasks. So as you can see here, I see Epic Games, so end the task. And then what you need to do here, you need to go to Steam. Then you need to go to Steam again here, settings. Then you need to go to controller, and then you should find your, if you connected your controller, you should see your controller here name. And depending on what controller you're using, then you need to select options. So make sure if you're using, for example, PS4 controller or PS5 controller, as you can see here, make sure that this option is enabled. If you're using Xbox controller, take this option. If you're using generic controllers or Switch, select this option as well. But don't forget to idle gamepad shutdown timeout is on 15 minutes, so don't forget to turn off select never, because what it does is simply after 15 minutes your controller will shut down. And then after you select these options here, and then you can test your controller and see if it's working or not. You can press the buttons. As you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. And then what you need to do here, after you do so, you need to go to Epic Games, right click on it, go to open file location, and then here should be Epic Games Launcher, and then you just need to copy the path, and then you need to go to add a game, and then a non-Steam game, and then you just need to paste basically the path. And on here, browse, again, should be like this, and then it should be here Epic Games, and then you just need to add to Epic Games Launcher to your Steam, and then you just need to press play when you want to play the game on Epic Games on Steam, and then you just need to run the game, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.